Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by verifying carrier support and enabling Wi-Fi. Once done, sign into your Samsung account and unlock the phone with your PIN so activation can proceed without interruptions. Now open Settings, tap Connections, then Esim Card Manager. This is where you add an eSIM profile. Tap Add Mobile Plan and choose Scan Carrier QR code or enter activation code manually. You're starting the actual provisioning step now. Keep your carrier details and a stable connection ready to avoid timeouts. You'll scan the QR code or paste the activation code from your carrier. This kicks off secure profile download. Once the phone finds the profile, tap Download and wait. Do not exit settings to prevent interruption. If scanning fails, choose Add using activation code and enter the SMDP Plus address and code exactly as given. After installation, label the line, set it as primary for calls or data if desired, and toggle preferred SIM for cellular data so the phone routes traffic correctly. You'll verify activation by checking signal bars and carrier name in the status bar. Make sure mobile data is enabled and data roaming if needed. If service doesn't appear, restart the phone first. That often finalizes provisioning. If the profile shows error, remove it in SIM Card Manager and reinstall using the original QR or activation code. When problems persist, note your phone's EID and a MAE for the carrier and request re-provisioning, or perform a network settings reset as a last step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.